So that's what I was thinking about.
Here we stand as a people with one song, with one voice. We're a nation undivided and poised. We will take a stand and build our to defend what is ours. Here we are as a people with one heart for one cause. We're determined to rebuild and restore. Where freedom rise and truth prevails. Our land where there's hope for us all. Our land where there's hope for us all. We have, we'll defend our land. We believe in this nation, and we know we'll get there. We'll have, we'll defend our land. We believe in Nigeria and the promise she holds, and that one day we'll shine like the sun. We're a great nation. Though we are many people, different tribes, different tongues, we're united in strength and resolve to uphold the honor of our land and for generations to come. And for generations to come. We'll defend our land. We believe in this nation, and we know we'll get there. We'll defend our land. We believe in Nigeria and the promise she holds, and that one day we'll shine like the sun. We're a great nation. See, we only have with the Father. We believe in this nation, and we know we'll get there someday. Can somebody sing with me? With the Father in our hand, we believe in this our nation, Nigeria, and the promises she holds for us. And someday we would shine like the sun. Oh, from the north, south, east, and west. Somebody say, if you believe, to know, say, with the foot alone, with all we have. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, say we are, yeah, with the foot alone. We say, yeah, what a great nation. Oh, oh, yeah. Ooh. Yeah. Here we stand as a people with one song, with one voice. We're a nation undivided.
Okay, good morning, everyone, and welcome to today's webinar. Can we take about 2 minutes for others to join? Thank you once again for joining. Good morning, everyone. Can you confirm if you can hear me? Good morning, everyone. Can you confirm if you can hear me? You can send a thumbs up.
Can hear you. We can hear you. Morning.
All right, thank you very much, ma'am. Permit us to take about, okay, a minute has gone now. Just 1 minute more for others to join.
We will take us down and build our land in faith to defend what is ours. Here we are as a people with one heart for one cause. We're determined to rebuild and restore. Where freedom rise and truth prevails. Our land where there's hope for us all.
Okay, thank you. Thank you once again for joining. Permit me to share my screen. Okay, can you confirm if you can see my screen? Okay. All right. Welcome once again. My name is Yetunde Oderinde, and I'm the host for today. I will be taking us through the overview of the company hosting this webinar. This webinar is powered by CDLP Hub Limited. CDLP Hub Limited is a company that provides digital solutions and creates innovative solutions that simplify complex business problems. And our products include autobiz.app, simservers.io, PMC SMS. So for autobiz.app, you can get your website and you can get mobile apps. And for simservers.io, we automate your airtime vending, your data vending businesses. And for PMC SMS, we offer bulk SMS services. And lastly, our awesome co-working space known as Pixora Space is a next generation co-working space and is designed for productivity, collaboration, and for community building. So moving on to today's webinar, we have an agenda, and for the agenda, we've taken the overview of our company. Then we'll be taking the facilitator session. But before we move on to the facilitator session, this webinar is designed to help you take control of your VTU system. And in this webinar, we'll be showing you how to create structures, how to delegate safely, and how to scale your business with confidence and with excellence. So at this point, I am pleased to introduce our facilitator for today in the person of Mr. Olusegun Olopade. He is a full stack developer at CDLP Hub Limited, and he will be taking over the topic for today. So, Mr. Olusegun Olopade, you have the floor now, please.
One, please, can you confirm you can hear my voice? Okay, thank you very much. I'm going to be presenting now. Please. Okay, please also confirm you can see my screen. Can you confirm you can see my screen? If you can see my screen, please let me see thumbs up. All right, so I'm going to be taking a few minutes to welcome us once again to today's webinar. As our custom, it's our joy to keep you updated on every new thing that we do and things that will benefit your business and to take your business forward. As you know, the year is gradually going to an end, and we would like to still introduce this and tell you how this works. For some of us here, we might have seen or heard of a feature called My Team. And for most of us, this might be the first time you are hearing this. So for those that have heard about this before, and for those that are hearing about this for the first time, yeah, be rest assured you still learn more and see how this works. Once again, you're welcome to today's webinar. It's going to be as fast and quick as possible because we don't want to waste your time at all. And it promises to be insightful. And as you can see my screen, here it says My Team. That's a sophisticated team management tool, which is built specifically for your business. All right. So I'm going to be going through the introduction. Before I proceed, I would like to restate again that I'll go through the slides first and then take you through the practical. So I'll talk about this in a few minutes, then we'll do hands-on practical, how this actually works. Okay, okay. Please, if at any point in time you can't see my screen or you can't hear my voice, please feel free to draw my attention back so I can fall back. All right, so like I was saying, excuse me, this session is divided into two. I'm going to be taking you through the theory, which is the talking session. I'm going to be taking you through the practical session, which I'm going to be showing you how this actually works. All right. So what My Team is actually all about. First, why do you need My Team? Remember, I first said initially that this is a feature that is specifically built for your business and is for you to be able to manage your business efficiently. So now, why you need these features is what I stated there for delegation. So you can actually add team members to your account without sharing your main credentials. I understand we have two categories of people on this call. We have the SIM server users and we have AutoBiz partners here on this call. So for AutoBiz partners, you have access to your admin dashboard. There are a lot of things you can do and all. So, but there are some things that you really think are wasting your time that you can easily give someone else to do, but you might be afraid to share your credentials because you don't even know if it is what you ask them to do that they will actually do. For example, we just ask someone to fund your wallet because maybe you are running low of your wallet balance. So just ask someone to you share your credentials with someone to help you to fund your wallet so that sales can keep on going for your business. But you don't even know if it's actually funding of wallets that the person will do. So that might cause some cause of confusion, some form of confusion, and you might still be the one to go and fund your wallet. And let's just assume you are not even available at that point in time. That means your sales will stop, almost everything going on will stop at that moment. So we thought about this, and to prevent this, we created this feature for you to actually create what we call team members, meaning that anybody you had as a team will have access to whatever feature you enable for them. So they will still act like you. For example, the way you will fund your wallet is the way they will also fund your wallet. So what they are doing is to like a clone of you, if you permit me to put it that way. So instead of you doing it, it's just someone else doing it. So that is exactly what this is all about. So like I said, delegation, you are adding team members to your account without sharing your main credentials. Your main account credentials, you're not going to share with them. All right. Then complete control. You have full control of the entire feature. All right. So you can enable and disable. You can do anything so what you like with the feature. All right. Then it's also perfect for business owners, resellers, distributors, and service providers. The key benefit for using this feature is that you tend to grow your operations by delegating tasks securely and efficiently. Like I said, there are some things that are too small for you to do as a business owner. There are things that will take a lot of time for you to do. For example, uploading of SIMs or doing some managing members, some things that you can easily call someone else to do and to solve issues for you. But because they need admin permission, you might not want to share your main credentials with them. So that's why we have created this feature so that you can create team members to be able to do this on your behalf. Now, going forward, what are the core features and capabilities of my team? Like I said, you can add and you can edit team members with name, email, phone, and secure password. You can delegate and assign specific tasks and permissions. You can activate, you can deactivate a member, or you can even remove a member completely. Activity tracking. You can know the last time a team member logged in. So if there is any discrepancy on maybe someone did this, someone did that, and you're trying to figure out who actually did this. So there is a feature on the there is a module on the feature that allows you to see the last time a team member actually logged into the platform. So you can be able to track who actually did a particular task or not. Then it comes with secure authentication with separate login credentials. Although they are still going to log in with the same login page that you are logging in with, but with another flow entirely. So now let's talk about the permissions available on my team. You can allow a team member to fund your wallet. You can allow a team member to have access to vending services like to buy airtime, to buy data, to buy cable, to buy electricity, all the vending services. You can allow a team member, just remember I said you can create as many team members as possible. So maybe for your business, you have some people in the marketing, you have some people in the operations, you have some people in the customer care, so those in the customer care will fall the category of maybe those are that you'll be giving managed members access. Those that are maybe in the marketing, you might give them maybe transaction history so that they can see your transaction history to determine what type of promotion they might need for your business and so on and so forth. So we have created all this so that it can help and grow your business. Okay, so we have managed USSD access, manage members, then API access. This is if you have a developer that needs to check your API documentation and other stuff. So you can create a team member access for this particular person and just enable API access. Then my manage SIMs. This was the one I was talking about the other time. That this actually, as sweet as it is, it actually takes a lot of time, because let's say you have to upload about 100 is even too much, about 50 SIMs, you know, it can take a lot of time for you to upload, you know. So you can just create a team account for one of your staff and just give them access to be able to manage SIMs. The interesting thing about this feature, you get to see it by the time I start with the practical. So then MTN share business, Airtel business, Glow business, and Mobile business. For SIM server users, you will surely be familiar with these other ones, these last three, the Airtel business, Glow business, Mobile business. But for AutoBiz partner, these are not for you. Thank you. So now, that is all about the theory session, and I will be going through the practical in a quick minute. Thank you. If I'm sure I didn't miss any question or anything while I was presenting. If you can still hear me, please give me some thumbs up. Okay, awesome. So don't worry, we'll have time to take questions as we progress. Thank you. So if you log into your dashboard, all right, you'll see something like this. I'm very sure you are familiar with this. So if you scroll through under management, you will see a menu called My Team. So if you click on it, so I just click on My Team now. I want to see the team features. I want to see if, okay, can you see now? It says that I have a user here already, but I'm going to be adding a new user for you to see how this actually works. So if you want to add a new user, click on Add New Team Member. Okay, so like I said, you have to enter the person's full name. You enter the person's email. This is the email. This is the username of that person. And you enter the person's phone number and password, a minimum of 6 characters. By the time you add team member, it's going to send an email with the login credentials to the person. So let's try something. So let me create for this user. So I want to give some permissions. Let's say fund wallets, manage SIMs, and let's say API. What else? Let me just pick one more. Okay, vendor services. So now to remains with the password, let me use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So then you click on add. So this is, remember I said the full name is important. The email is going to be the username of that person. Okay. Can you see? It says email address already exists because I have created this for someone already. So it's not going to allow you. Okay. So there is a user that has this already. So it's not going to allow you. So let me use another email. Okay, so it says team member added successfully. All right. Remember, our password is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'll click OK. So it has added the member now. So remember, can you see last login? It says never. And that is actually true because this user, we just created it and this person has never logged in to this account before. So what else are you supposed to do after this? Remember, you scroll through your dashboard. At the left side, you see a menu called team member. I mean, my team. So after you get to my team, you see the page here. For AutoBiz partner, if you have not activated the feature, you might not see this this on your page. So it might show some page, welcome to the my team, this thing that if you want to activate, go to autobiz.app to go and activate. But if you already activated it, you see exactly what you are seeing on my screen. All right. So now, like I said, I just added this user now. The expected flow is that you're supposed to send email to this person. At least we added a user, so this person is supposed to know that there is actually an account created for the person. So let's check and see if there was an email created or that was sent to this. Yes. Can you see? Welcome to your team member account, and it sends me the email, which is supposed to be my username and the password that I created. Okay, I'm following. This is the login to login. This is the email, which is supposed to be my username, and this is the password. So this is what I'll be using to log in now. So let me open an account. Open a page to log in as a team member now. So I'll still leave the one for the main admin. So I want to log in as a team member now. What they will see is a page for them to log in with their email and with their password. So what I will be entering here is my email, and my password is this. Okay. Remember, this was created by the admin. So this is the same login page that the admin is using. So everything is just in one place, but the flow is actually different. So I'm clicking on login now to sign in. See something different now. It says sign in option. This email matches both a user and a team member account. How would you like to continue? The reason why you are seeing this is that there is actually a user for this account. There's a user with this email. So let me show you this. This is the email. So let's go to manage members, and actually see if it's true that this member exists, so that you can confirm yourself. But if this member doesn't exist before, let's search Olokwade. Okay, yes, this is it. So there's actually a user already on this platform, and yet you want to add the person as a team member. So with that, the person has two access now. I can decide to log in as a normal member, or I can decide to log in as a team member to assist you as an admin. So now I'll choose the option I want. Do I want to continue as a team member for peace? That is for the admin that created this account, or do I want to continue as myself? That means as a normal user for this account. So because we are currently treating team members, so I will just continue as a team member. So it's going to log me in. Okay, so for team members, this is what they are going to see. Like I said, you have access to anything your account owner gives you access to. So remember when I was selecting, I selected API access, fund, wallet, vending service, and managed SIMs. And exactly this is what is here. Let's go back to my team. So if I click my team, I can edit. Remember when I was presenting the other time, I said you can add, edit, or even remove. So this is, I've added, I can decide to edit. Can you see, these were the things I selected, and I can decide to even remove the person completely. So if I set this person as inactive, they will not be able to log in. Their account is still created, but they will not be able to log in to their account. Maybe for some reason best known to you, you want to stop that user to be able to have, from being able to have access to your account for some time. So just come here and set the person as inactive. So when they try to log in, they won't have access to login at all. Okay. So now I just wanted to show you this: fund wallet, managed SIM, vending services, and API. So let's confirm if it's true. API, fund wallet, vending service, managed SIM. Exactly what we selected. So let's try to uncheck one. Okay. API access developer. Why you have API access is because of this. So if you do not give this person API access, they won't be able to have access to this API documentation at all. So now let's try to remove it and save. So I've removed it now and update this particular member. So it's going to update it and only check only these three, which is fund wallet, managed SIMs, and vending services only. So click OK. Let's go back here and refresh tips page. Remember, this is here. So by the time we refresh and the page refreshes, it will disappear. So I won't be able to have access to the API documentation again. And this also will also, can you see? It has disappeared. I can't have access to the API documentation because the website owner has not given me the access to it. All right. So, but I can fund wallet, I have access to the vending services. These are the vending services, and I can also manage SIMs. So the one I'm going to deal with more is the managed SIMs. So now let's go here on a manage an MTN share business. Click on manage SIM. Currently, there are no SIMs for this particular team member. If I've uploaded some SIMs, you'll have seen them here. So now let me show you the same page for the admin, the website owner itself. So for those, if you have our updated code base, you will see some changes. There's a section for all SIM. If I'm too fast, please let me know. I came here, MTN share business, then I click on manage SIMs. So it took me here. So there's a section for all SIMs. Those are active SIMs that you are using on your platform. And now there's a new section called pending SIMs. Pending SIMs are the SIMs uploaded by your team member, which are waiting for approval. If they are not approved, they can't join your all SIMs. They are still waiting for approval. The reason why we are doing this is for security reasons, or maybe a team member uploaded some SIMs now, and there was a mistake on it. You can easily tell the person, please correct this before you now accept. So let me try to add a SIM. I'm going to be using my, let me say my SIM, and put my phone number. Then I'll get OTP. Okay, so it has sent OTP to me. 5, 4, 3, 5, 4, 6. So the team member will not pick any of the service group that the SIM belongs to. So I'm going to select MTN share business and then proceed. Boom. So now it has added. Did you notice something? My SIM is the same name that I typed, and it shows the name of the person that uploaded it. So now, can you see what we currently have as pending SIM is what? 2. If I refresh this page now, it will have increased to 3, and to show this particular my SIM now. So let's wait for you to refresh. Pending SIM, can you see it's 3, and it's showing my SIM, which is uploaded by this particular team member. That is why this full name is important, so that you can know who actually uploaded this SIM. And you can see the size that is selected is what is actually selected. So now let me try to accept it. So if I accept this SIM now, I told you the reason why we did this is for security reasons, because some of our partners complain that they don't want their team members to have access to all their SIMs. Imagine you have about 2,000 SIMs here, and all your team members are seeing your 2,000 SIM. They can copy the number and go and do anything they like with it, but they will only see the SIM they are uploading. And another thing is that once I approve this now, I accept this now, this thing will disappear. They won't see it again from their dashboard. So now let me try to accept it. So accept. And once I click on accept, it's going to ask me, which group do I want to put this in? So on the admin page now, I have two groups. I have a group called, before I accept, let me show you, empty share. So this is, I have prof 1 and I have prof 2. Then there is a default group, which you are all aware of. So now these are the two groups that is giving me option to select. So now let me select one of them, accept. Let me put it in prof 1, then accept. Can you see it has accepted, successfully accepted one sim and assigned to the group. So depending now has changed to 2, and it's now going to be under all sims. That means this is an eligible sim now. So let's go back to the team member and refresh the team's page. You will not see anything on this page again because the sim has been accepted and you can upload new sims. So let's wait for it to refresh. Can you see? No sim found. The team member cannot see any other sim again. Also, there is a bulk option. Imagine someone uploaded about 500 sims. It's not going to be possible to be accepting one by one. So you can just select all the sims. Can you see? Or you can check them one by one. And you see there is a accept selected sims. So you can accept selected sim, then choose any group you want to add to and click on accept sim. Can you see? It has accepted all sims and assigned them to the group. So there is no more pending sims and all sims have been assigned. So let's go and check the group itself if it's true that it's actually moved itself. Can you see? That particular sims that I added, which is my sim. Let's see ahead. This page is active sim. So the sim is not under active sim because there are some criteria the sim did not meet. That's why you're not seeing the under active. So you can go to all sims and let's see if we are going to see that particular sim. Oh, where did we add it to? Okay, I think it was prof 1. Let's see. Oh, sorry. Prof 1. All sims. Yeah, this is it. This was the sim I added now. So can you see? Everything as you added it is there and intact. So it is whatever you want the team member to see or to do is what they will be able to do. Remember, I gave this particular person access to fund. That's why you are seeing this there. If I uncheck it, this will not be there again. I gave this particular team member access for vending services, and that is why you are seeing all these options there. If I uncheck it, this will disappear too. I gave this particular team member access to manage sims, and that's why you are seeing it there. If I uncheck it, this will disappear too. And just a general button for all users to log out. I hope and I believe you enjoy that, and you'll be able to use this tool efficiently to promote your business. Remember, I said there are so many things that you can spend your time on. There are so many things you can actually delegate to other people to help you to do instead of you doing all work for yourself. And that is why this my team feature was built, and we hope you start to use it efficiently. Thank you very much, and we hope to see you in the next webinar. Over to you, Ms. Yetunde. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Yes. Hello, you can send a thumbs up to confirm if you can hear me. All right, thank you very much. So thank you once again, Mr. Olusegun, for this insightful session. And as always, at CDLP Hub Limited, our features are designed to deliver great value and empower you to grow your businesses. So we'll be taking a few questions now. But before we move to the question and answer segment, please note that there is a link in the comment section for feedbacks. So kindly fill that link, because through that link we would collate your email address to send materials and recordings of this webinar. And also we want to hear from you and get the feedback from you concerning this webinar to tailor future webinars to be more valuable to you. Thank you once again. So back to our questions. So if you have any question, kindly unmute your microphone. Any question concerning the presentation? Any question for Mr. Olusegun? You can drop it in the comment section and you can unmute your microphone.
All right, Jim, can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
All right.
Yes, we can hear you, sir.
Yeah, I have a few questions. From that, while adding the same to the group, I saw something like the cell. Is this SIM cell volume or something? Is it possible to like add more gigabytes to the list? Because I was seeing like 500 MB, 1 gig, 2 gig to 5 gig. Is it the 5 gig the highest, or is it depend based on the categories that was selected? That's what they share data. I don't know if you get my question.
Okay, I'm trying to share my screen now to confirm what you said. Please, can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see your screen.
This is what you're referring to, right?
Yeah, that part that has this toggle of a SIM cell volume. Yes.
Okay, so it's telling you what volume do you want this particular SIM to be able to sell. So this toggle on means this SIM can sell 500 MB, can sell 1 gig, can sell 2 gig, can sell 3 gig, and can sell 5 gig. So if I uncheck all of them and only leave only 500 gig, that means if an order of 1 gig comes, this SIM will not pick this SIM to sell it. It will only sell any order that has 500 MB.
Okay, what if multiple SIM has the same?
Multiple SIM has what?
What if multiple SIM have the same? Everything was on, like maybe you uploaded like 5 SIM, for example, and those 5 SIM can dispense the same value.
So the system will pick the best option. So all of them are eligible. So any one of them can sell.
Okay, what about you want to add more than the current volume, maybe like a 10 gig and above?
The one that has more than one?
Like, let's say, for instance, you want to sell, let's say, like more than 5 gig. That should be like maybe 10 gig or above it.
I'm not sure I understand your question.
Like, for instance, now this same cell volume now, the highest is 5 gig, isn't it? That's the highest.
Oh, okay. Like you want to sell
More than 5.
more than
Maybe
this.
like 10.
Like 10. Okay, yeah. I think it was last month, we just added a new flow for 10 gig. So 10 gig is following the 5 gig flow. So that is, it's going to any SIM that you have that has 5 gig toggle. So it's going to look for the best 2 SIMs to use. So if it's just one that is on, can you see now for this particular group now, I have just one 5 gig on and this other one is off. So this particular group cannot set 10 gig. But if I have 5 gig on, I have 5 gig on here too. Of course, if those 2 SIMs are eligible, 10 gig will flow.
So they'll dispense 10 gig to the user.
Yes, it will.
Oh, okay. I think that part is a bit clear actually.
Thank you, sir.
It's clear, yeah, thank you.
All right. Do we have more questions?
Hello, good morning, everybody. Can you hear me, please? Am I audible?
Yes, we can hear you.
Thank you very much for the presentation, and I applaud my team member adding a seminar, or should I say app or mechanism you guys just did. Is nice. But I'm trying to. My question is based on what someone just asked. I think Mr. Habib also regarding sharing data. You said if for example, the person wants to buy 10 gig, right? And in a particular group, you have 2 SIMs or carriers that are eligible to actually sell the 10 gig. You just said something now that the the SIMs will sell the 10 gig to the particular person. Are you saying those two SIMs you have will sell 5 gig each to the same number? Or a particular SIM can sell just 5 gig max to one number?
No, the maximum a SIM can sell is 5.
Exactly.
So those two SIMs will sell 5 gig each.
To the
So
same.
yes, to the same number. So we've added the flow that if one fails, it's going to fail both of them. So the two SIMs must be eligible before the user even gets any of the 5 gig. So if there is 1 gig, one SIM that is eligible and the other SIM is not eligible for the remaining 5 gig to make it 10 gig, it won't go. It will tell the user that, to tell you that no SIM available. But if the 2 gigs the two SIMs are eligible for the 5 gig each, then to dispense the 5 gig each for the user.
Wow, that's impressive. So peradventure, in a case somebody wants to buy 15 gig, and if you have more than 3 or 4 SIMs that can actually sell 15 gig, the 3 SIMs will all sell 5 gig each to that particular number, that same number you have to go.
Currently, we've not implemented 15 gig.
Okay, just 10 as the max.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. I really learned a lot. At least this would help with trying to not expose ourselves so much to staff working with us. My only question I'm going to ask is that you said something that you can have more than one team member, right? You can have as many as you like. I think there's no maximum number, or
no, there's no limit. There's no limit to it.
Okay. So you said that they will have their own credentials. Like, you are not really sharing your credentials, but it's like, will each particular team member you're adding have their own separate credentials? Like, let's say I have 4 staffs and I want to add them to my team. All of them have their own different login credentials, which is different from my own, like you said, or each person will have their own.
Each of them will have their own different credentials that you created for them. I think I shared my screen, the email that I got when I account, which showed the login, email, and the password. So any team member you create, we also get those emails too. Separate login.
Okay, that you created for them, their own login credentials.
Yes.
That's nice. And you can easily let's say somebody stopped working with you. You can easily, would you have to delete their login credentials or just block them or something?
Yes, you can deactivate or delete.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome, ma.
Okay, do we have any more questions?
Yeah, I have one more, please. There's this part that I talk about funding wallets outside of a team. So, like, do you mean when the team members have access to that team can be able to like fund the business wallet, or like that part? I'm not really clear.
So can you take the question again?
All right, this particular feature that will give the team access to fund wallets. Can you just give a more explanation on that? Like the funding of wallet that the team you gave access to, how would they work with the fund wallet?
Can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see your screen.
Okay, so the normal way you used to fund your wallet, team also will have access to. For example, let's say your wallet balance is low. Of course, they won't have access to see your wallet balance. This is what they will see as their dashboard. But as admin, you can see your wallet balance. Can see it? But let's say it's low. Just call one of the staff fund my wallet for me. So if you don't give them access, they won't see this particular menu to be able to fund your wallet for you. They are not funding their wallet. They don't have a wallet. They are funding your own wallet because you don't want to do it.
Okay, that means you need to like maybe send them the money or something.
Exactly.
I think this particular feature that would be for, let's say, a business that has maybe a finance team or someone that handle the finance part of the business.
Right, correct.
So it's very, very tricky to just assign any person for
Yeah.
this particular feature. All right,
All right.
I got it.
Thank you very much.
Okay, Mr. Tohib is raising his hand. Mr. Tohib, you have the floor, please.
Okay, good morning. Please,
Morning.
can you hear me clearly?
Loud and clear, sir.
Can you hear me clearly?
Loud and clear, sir.
Okay. My question is this: is this feature, is it only for we AutoBiz website owners, or our users can also use it themselves? To maybe our users, maybe they are big to some extent. The person is using my API. Can you also use that team manager for his own people so that he can have people managing his account for him?
Thank you very much for the question. My team is available only to AutoBiz website owners. So you are the only one that have access to it. Your users do not have access to it. And it's also available to all users on SIM server. So the normal users on SIM servers, they have access to it. But for AutoBiz, it's only available to admins. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Okay, all right. Is there any other question? Okay, so in the absence of any more questions, thank you, Mr. Abib. Thank you, Mr. Tohib. Thank you, Madam Ebin Harry, for your thoughtful questions. We appreciate your question. So before we wrap up for today, as an appreciation for attending today's webinar, we'll be giving you a special giveaway. All right. So the giveaway is a coupon, and the coupon is to get 10% off once you get this feature. And you can use the code MyTeam2025, and this coupon is valid until midnight. So that is our special appreciation giveaway to you for attending today's webinar. Oh, okay, Mr. Toib, you have the floor, please.
Okay, what if I already purchased the team manager? Will it be compensated for the 10%, or it doesn't have access to it again?
Sorry, if you bought it, it's your feature already. So this promo is all yours. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, please, sorry. I don't know. Where are we gonna use this coupon, please? I don't know. Where is it used?
Okay, so
Can you-
once you want to get the feature and the AutoBiz, when you want to get the feature, you see the place where you can type in the coupon. Once you type in the coupon code, MyTeam2025, you get the feature. You get the discount, the 10% discount. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Okay, we'll also be sharing a guide after the call. So, but it's so smooth and so straightforward. Just go to autobiz.app, the normal place where you buy your features and all. So once you log into your autobiz.app account, you find my team. In the way you used to buy feature, if you click on buy now, it will now show you a place to put the coupon code. So just paste this coupon code there, and it's going to reduce the price for you. Remember, it is only valid if you buy it till midnight. So after midnight, it won't be valid again. Thank you.
Okay, so You can reach out to us. You can call our phone number at 070-7488-3352. And you can also send us a mail at office.conceptdelapix@gmail.com, or visit our website www.cdlphub.limited.com for to explore all of our features and our products. Or you can come to our space, our work office, where our co-working space exists, where Pixera space exists, which is at Road 19, Housing Corporation Estate, General Gas, Akubo, Ibadan. So on behalf of the entire CDLP Hub Limited team, I want to say a big thank you to our facilitator, Mr. Olusegun Olopade, and to everyone who joined today. We appreciate your time and we hope you gained value in today's webinar. Please don't forget to fill the Google form in the comment section, because your details that you would input in the form is where we would send every materials and also the recording. Because once you have the recording, you can go back to the recording on your phone to check and get guidance on things that has been discussed in this webinar. So you can go to the comment section and fill the form. Thank you very much. Do have a wonderful day, everyone. Thank you.
We believe in this nation, and we know we'll get there. We'll rise.
Yeah, Madam Yetunde. Yeah, there's a message for you on the group, on the meet here.
Okay, all right, copy that.
We believe in Nigeria and the promise she holds, and that one day we'll shine like the sun. We're a great nation. Though we are many people, Nigeria and the promises she holds for us. And someday we would sing like a song. From the north, south, east, and west, somebody say, if you believe tonight, say, we're defeated alone with all we have. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, say we are, yeah. We're defeated alone. I believe, and I know you do too. Yeah, 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 yeah. But Nigeria stand up, Nigeria stand up. Join me, say, yeah. What a great nation. Oh, 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 yeah.